Ratifying an Agreement, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English for you. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that often pops up in legal, political, and business contexts. Ratify an agreement. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding a new term to your vocabulary. It's about grasping a fundamental process in the workings of organizations and nations. So, let's get started and demystify what it means to ratify an agreement. First things first, let's break down the phrase into two parts: ratify and an agreement. An agreement is a decision reached after negotiation, which could be anything from a business contract to an international treaty. To ratify means to officially approve or confirm something, usually following a vote or a formal decision-making process. So, when you hear that someone is going to ratify an agreement, it means they are about to give their official approval to a decision that has already been negotiated and agreed upon preliminarily. Ratification is not just a simple thumbs up. It involves several steps and is a critical process in making an agreement legally binding. The process can vary depending on the type of agreement and the rules of the organization or country involved. However, it generally involves the following steps. 1. Negotiation and drafting. Before an agreement can be ratified, it needs to be negotiated and drafted. This is where all parties involved discuss their terms and come to a preliminary agreement. 2. Initial approval. Once the agreement is drafted, it often needs a preliminary approval by the involved parties, which might involve leaders, diplomats, or executives, depending on the context. 3. Ratification. After initial approval, the agreement is then presented to a wider body for ratification. This could be a parliament, a board of directors, or the general public through a referendum. This step often involves a vote. 4. Formal ratification. If the agreement passes the vote, it is formally ratified. This might involve a signing ceremony and the exchange of official documents. Ratification is a crucial step because it transforms an agreement from a proposal into a legally binding document. Without ratification, agreements are essentially just promises without enforcement or legal backing. Ratification ensures that all parties are legally committed to their promises, and it provides a framework for resolving disputes should they arise. In international relations, ratification also signals to other countries and international bodies that an agreement has the full support of the government or organization, making it a reliable partner or member. Understanding the phrase, ratify an agreement, gives insight into the formal processes that underpin many aspects of our political, legal, and business worlds. It's a testament to the importance of official approval in making agreements effective and enforceable. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to ratify an agreement and why it's a critical step in many areas of life. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.